They said, hey, go ahead and, build a model, and then like, at first I was thinking, I don't want to do this, I just want to go back to bed. Why do I have to be here? So they made me go into this room with these other veterans who had to make these models. And then like, I just finally stopped resisting and sucked it up. And, and I made I made this model out of wood. Probably half an hour into it, I was thinking to myself, like, this is actually kind of fun, and it's relaxing, and it's therapeutic. And I did this every day that I was there. For the whole 4 days that I was in the VA hospital, I did this, and it helped me relax and come to terms with what I was dealing with. And so I wanted to continue this when I left, and and then I started working on the rings some more. It started turning into not just a hobby that I would do, on the side, but it was therapeutic and it was life-saving. And it brought me back to light. Brought me back to the light when I was just at a rock bottom place.